Welcome to Food Fights. Today we're comparing these two cans of chili with beans. On the left, weighing in at 15 ounces, is Hormel chili with beans. On the right, weighing in at 16.5 ounces, is Campbell's chunky chili with beans. Now I'm really looking forward to this. I just saw this in the store the other day. I've never seen this before. I didn't know Campbell's made chili. I knew Hormel made chili, and I like Hormel chili a lot. So a lot of times when I want canned chili, this is exactly what I get. So I'm really curious to try this and see what in the world this is and see if it tastes good. We all know Campbell's and we associate Campbell's with soup, but we don't think of Campbell's with chili. So this is gonna be a lot of fun and this is gonna be very interesting. Let's start off by looking at the can and looking at the labeling, and I don't know, I'm biased. I'm just have to go with the Hormel chili. I just like the look of that red can. That says chili to me. This does not look like your normal can of chili. This silver label, it did stand out, and that's probably why I noticed it, because almost all the other cans of chili are like red or brown, and this just stood out from the crowd. So maybe that's a plus for them, I don't know. But I'm gonna have to say, I just like the Hormel label because I'm used to it. But what's important is what's inside the can, isn't it? So let's open these up and let's see how they look, smell, and taste. Let's start out with the Hormel. Let's open this up and see how it looks. That looks like Hormel chili to me. Wow, that looks good. Let's try the Campbell's chunky chili with beans. I have no idea what to expect. Wow, that looks pretty good. I really expected some runny, soupy stuff, but that looks pretty good. We've got them both opened, and certainly the Hormel is thicker. The Campbell's chili is actually looking pretty good. All right, let's see how they smell. Let's smell the Hormel. Wow. That makes my mouth water. Wow, I'm serious. That just smells so good. Wow, I'm ready to eat that. All right, let's try the Campbell's. Let's see how this smells. Wow, different. This does not make my mouth water. That's interesting, isn't it? I'm gonna smell this again. I'm smelling like peppers. It seems like there's peppers in here, maybe like green pepper smell in there. I'm not getting that rich, and it could be cumin. It's almost like a cumin smell that's in here, and maybe some chili powder. I don't know, but this makes my mouth water. This doesn't. That don't mean it's not any good, but to me, wow, this just smells good. This smells like canned chili. The real test is gonna be how these things taste. So let's warm some of this up, put it in a bowl, and we'll taste them. So obviously on the left is our Hormel, and on the right is our Campbell's Chunky, both chili with beans. So let's try the Hormel. And I know what this tastes like. I've eaten this a lot. I like Hormel. My oh my. That's what canned chili is supposed to taste like. It's good. It seems like it can use a little bit more seasoning to me. So I will frequently put a little more chili powder or something in there, maybe a little hot sauce to spice it up a little bit. But that's a really, really nice flavor. The beans are really, really nice. It's really good. I'm not seeing a lot of chunks of anything except for the beans. I'm not seeing any big chunks of meat, but it's just the overall flavor is really nice. So let's try the Campbell's and see how this tastes. And I'm seeing chunks of meat in here where I don't see a lot of chunks of meat in the Hormel. I'm gonna try a piece of the meat and just see how a piece of the meat tastes. That was kind of weird, actually. I couldn't tell you what kind of meat that is. It tastes like a bunch of different kinds of meat mixed together with a lot of seasoning. It wasn't bad, it just wasn't what I was expecting. But I'm seeing some other like vegetables and peppers in here. Yeah, it looks like red pepper in here. So that's where that peppery smell was coming from. So this is gonna be interesting. So let's get a spoon of the Campbell's chili and see how this tastes. Wow. That's actually pretty darn good chili. Completely different than the Hormel. I mean, Hormel has this distinctive canned chili taste to it. But actually, this tastes more like homemade chili. I'm really surprised. This is actually pretty good. There's a lot of flavor in here. This tastes a lot like homemade chili. A little thicker than what I normally think of as homemade chili, but that is really good. Okay, let's go back to the Hormel and try it again. Get a nice big spoonful of the Hormel. Let's see how this tastes. That's really good. Hormel chili. I love that flavor. Hard to describe. It's just a nice, full flavor. It's like it covers every area of the palate. Just very nice. Let's try the Campbell's one more time. I'm definitely seeing a lot of peppers and things. It looks like red pepper and probably some green onion, or red pepper, probably some green pepper, or maybe some chili pepper. I don't know. And maybe some onion in there. So let's try this. Wow. You can definitely taste the peppers on there. Just a hint of the peppers. This is really quite nice. Two completely different chilies. I don't know if one's competing with the other, but it's not. One is not a knockoff of the other. The Campbell's is certainly not a knockoff of any other chili that I've tasted. That's a very unique canned chili. It's very good, and I'm serious when I say this tastes a lot like homemade. That's good chili. Wow, there's no winner here. These are both equally as good, but both completely different. I can't say which one is better than the other. It's all. I could see myself buying any one of these at any one time. These are really that good. Wow. See, the Hormel is a thicker chili. And it would be something that I could see. Sometimes I put this on, sounds weird, but hash browns, or if you're putting like chili fries, if you're having chili cheese fries, that's the chili you're going to want to put on there. This is more like a homemade chili that you would be eating, like chili with crackers or something along that line. Yeah, so I guess it'd be comparable to a soup. Thus, I guess Campbell doing it. Even though it's not soup-like, it's still thicker than soup, but it still reminds me of that chili that you would put crackers in, or dip your sandwich into, or however you eat your chili. So seriously, two completely different chilies. This would work well for a coney sauce, where this is just chili. Yeah, they're both really, really good. We have no winners or losers here at all. These are both amazing. All right, what about the price? Which one of these is the best value? Well, they both taste very, very good. Two completely different recipes. So the Hormel, I paid $1.42, and that is for 15 ounces. The Campbell's chili with beans, I paid $2.39. That's a huge difference in price. Yeah, it's a different kind of chili. If I want homemade chili, I'm gonna make homemade chili. If I want chili like for chili fries or by itself out of the can, I'm gonna go with the Hormel. For value and taste, I'm gonna say Hormel wins. Taste is equally as good, but this is the better value. So thanks for watching Food Fights, and please subscribe so we can continue to try it before you buy it. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.